Good morning. So here we are. We're 7 minutes early. It wasn't scheduled till 6:10. And yeah, we're in a trade already. So what I've done this morning is I've actually set up a Forex account. You can actually see me take some trades on TradingView. So yeah, we're into a sell position, and we'd also want to sell on futures on our 100k Topstep account. And yeah, here we are. I just want to share where we're at with Topstep. So yeah, we jumped in with a good risk to reward. You can see we're risking $150 for potentially $400 profit. So yeah, we've taken a short. Reason being is that we've broken below our 9 moving average, also broken below the VWAP level as well. So we're in that trade, and what I'm looking to do is get my stop loss into break even once we get to around 2584, and then I've got my take profit at 2581. So what I'm hoping today is we can actually get down to this level. On Friday we actually got stopped out with profit for, I think it was 345. So hoping to have a better day today and have a good start to the week. So yeah, we're looking quite favorable at the moment. Once we get down to that 2584.5, want to get that stop into a nice break even position, and yeah, hopefully start the morning with a win. Could be a quick show. Once we get that profit, we'll catch up with Mandela for today's news, and we will end the show. So let's have a quick look how we're doing on the Forex. So yeah, we took the trade. You can see the price difference between futures and Forex, and I'm trading on the M15. So what we see in here is, yeah, we got a nice break here of the 9 moving average. It's actually a break below the VWAP as well. So give us some sort of confirmation that the sellers are in control. So at the moment, it's on the Forex. It is a demo. It's just I just wanted to show you some trading on the TradingView setup that I use. And yeah, we seem to be pushing down quite nicely to take profit level. What we should be doing really is getting that stop into break even. But really I'm more interested in the futures market. That's why we're doing our 100k challenge with Topstep. And yeah, we're looking quite good at the moment. So what I will do is, yeah, let's get this into, there we are. We got our Forex into a profitable stop. And yeah, let's see if we can get this price down. So we got some move down to about 2582.5 on the futures. So hopefully we can get to that. And let's have a quick look on the Topstep challenge. So this is where it's at. This is where my concentration is. And yeah, I want to get down to this level here, and then we can get that stop into break even. So I'm trading on gold, M15, trading micro, and got 5 contracts in place, and so far so good, looking quite favorable. Just over 8 minutes till we get the next candle. Hopefully we can get the push down. So for those who are watching, good morning. Yeah, thanks for joining. I appreciate 6 a.m. It's a very early start, but I like to trade between 6 and 8 a.m. in the mornings. And for those who watch later, yeah, welcome to the show. Please give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel. It does help us with the YouTube algorithm. And if anyone does watch and they want to collaborate with ourselves, please reach out to me or Mandela. Yeah, we're happy to have a chat with you guys. And if anyone's struggling trading futures, please let me know. So as always, I'm gonna put myself on mute. I'm gonna finish my coffee, and let's watch this price play out. Okay, yeah, so we saw the trade. Yeah, we got down to that take profit one level, and we've had a pullback. Quite happy to let this trade run. We're only running a 150 risk, so you can see that. So yeah, we could go up to a stop, and then I'll be happy to take this trade again, whichever position is favorable. But yeah, just under 5 minutes till the next candle, so it's gonna be quite interesting which way we go. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna move that stop up a little bit. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So we move over 1-to-1, a little bit more risk, but gives us a bit of opportunity to move in the trade. So let's have a quick look how we're doing on the Forex. Yeah, we run a demo account on the Forex, so just really just going to mirror image the trades I'm taking on the futures. And yeah, we're just running a 1-to-1 as well on the Forex account. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Yeah, we got a nice pullback here. So we might reverse this trade within the next 30 minutes. We'll just watch this now. For myself, I'm interested that we've broken the 9 moving average or opened below it. We've opened below the VWAP level as well. So yeah, we're just gonna watch this trade. I don't have much more to say. Let's just watch this trade play out and enjoy a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Yeah, so quite mindful of that candle. It's rejected our take profit one, you can see, and it's actually looking to go bullish within the next 2 minutes. So yeah, we're quite interested to see how this candle opens. We might see a push up into a stop loss. What I will do is there might be a chance to actually reverse this position. So yeah, but keep an eye on this. Yeah. Maybe we should have taken profit or take profit one, but yeah, let's watch how this plays out. So yeah, we're trading a micro gold. We're only trading 5 contracts, so it's not the biggest risk. So it gives me room to take another trade if I hit this expense today. Yeah, just floating around our entry level, so just over a minute or just under 2. Yeah, just over a minute to go. Be interesting to see where we open next. Yeah, I want to get that push down into that take profit one level, get my stop to break even. And as always, just like fishing, right, we have to wait for the price to come to us. So a little bit of patience. Because we trade in the M15, the trades do take a bit longer. So yeah, potentially could be a 30-45 minute wait. And yeah, we're just going to watch this price, and it's quite interested to see where we open next. So yeah, we're gonna stay in this trade. Yeah, we did just opened above that, below that VWAP. Could be acting as some sort of resistance. We're still below the 9 moving average. So I'm going to stay in this trade at the moment. I'm not looking to reverse the position. Quite happy with our stop loss and take profit. It's around 1-to-1 and a $350 loss. Not too bad. Gives us a little bit of wiggle room to take another trade in the day. And seem to be getting a little push back to our entry price. So yeah, we'll stay with this trade for now, and I'll just keep you updated as it plays out. Yes, we're back at our entry price. Starting to get that push down. So yeah, we're just $25. Yeah, let's see if we can get a push down to that take profit 1 level, so I can get that stop into break even. Yeah, I'll be quite happy with that. Yeah, our risk to reward is pretty good. If we can take $400 a day, I'll be happy with that, and I will lock the account. But first things first, we need to get down to that take profit 1 level. So yeah, we got a bit of a sell confirmation coming in here. Yeah, still opening below this 9 moving average. I'm looking at this here. I'm looking at supply and demand levels, or support and resistance. So yeah, we got a bit of wiggle room for our trade as well. I've taken a trade on the Forex gold, just so we can compare the price when Mandela jumps on. We can see where the difference is. So it's just a demo account with Pepperstone, just something I can easily link to my TradingView account. And yeah, so quite relatively happy. This is our entry. Here's our stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, and hopefully we can chase that price down. So just over 7 minutes till we get the next candle. And yeah, I'm hoping we can get the push down on the next M15 candle. So a little bit different trading what we have been doing before. We were trading the M5. We were using the Heikenashis, if you remember, on previous videos. Looking at a different strategy, just working with someone. Been asked to give this a go, so I'm having a look at it. I mean, we're actually trying it out on our 100k challenge account. Be quite interested where we move next. Quite mindful that we did reject this price here. The yellow box here, you can see that's our Asian high. Here's our Asian low as well. So we're still trading within that range. And I think we will be trading that range probably until we get into the London Open, or potentially halfway through it. So yeah, we're trading $20 in profit at the moment, but we can be quite interested in just over 6 minutes to see where we open at. Not really liking the range on gold at the moment. We're not really getting much of a move. So yeah, we can see we're not really getting much of a move at the moment, but we're going to stick in this trade until we get, a break above these levels here. And I might look at reversing the position. So yeah, we'll see. We'll stay in it for now. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing, Andrew?
Yeah, good, thanks. Good. Just in a position on gold, taking a sell. We got down to our take profit one level. I didn't move the stop, so I'm going to stay in this trade at the moment, but I'm not really liking the way gold's moving, just not liking the range. What I am thinking, if we do break above that VWAP and 9 moving average, might reverse position, but I'm okay with it. We only got a 350 expense, 400 profits. I'd be happy with that. So yeah, I'm just watching this trade at the moment. So how's yourself? What's news?
I'm doing good. I'm glad that you got in a trade. I was wondering how today would shape up, and yeah, it's I'm just having a quick look at the gold chart now that you have up there. So you already took profit.
No, not yet. So this is the first trade. So I had a chance to take profit. We got down to that blue line, which was our take profit one. We didn't. We rejected on the blue line, and yeah, I'm not liking the range on gold. Could be breaking out to the upside. So we're in a short position at the moment, but if we do get the break, I'll reverse the position.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Good entry. Early, nice way to start the week. And yeah, I'm just having a quick look at gold. Looks like a good trade so far.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm quite mindful of the rejection here. So we could be seeing a reversal here. Could be seeing the push up, but quite mindful of these two candlesticks here. So yeah, I'm gonna let this trade play out for now. What about yourself? Do you have any news for us for today?
Yes, I do. Let's have a quick look at the news for today, Andrew. So this today, let's just have a quick look at today. There is a little bit of news, not a whole lot. The first thing that we want to pull up is our friends at investing.com give us this very helpful economic calendar. So for today, we have nothing major, I guess, is the short answer. Just a little bit of European speeches, trade balance, and as we get into the US Open, we have some Fed speaking, and the 3-month and the 6-month Treasury bill auction. And that's more or less it for today. Nothing too crazy.
Yeah, no, should be a good, relatively stress-free day then.
Yes.
Yeah, but hoping to get out of this trade, or hoping to get my trading done by 8 a.m. if I can. Okay, one second. I just wanted to share my screen.
Yeah,
okay. Yes, that's where we're at the moment. So yeah, we're hovering around this entry price. Yeah, just over 30 seconds till the next candle. It'll be quite interesting to see which direction we get. We're still trading below the VWAP level here. We've opened below it on the last 3 candles. So normally that's an indication that the sellers are in control, but we are testing these levels here. And yeah, so it'll be quite interesting to see now where we go next. Could be that we look to reverse the position, but patience pays, right? So I can be a little bit patient with the trade. And yeah, we'll see how we go.
What's the current profit loss?
So we are minus 120 at the moment, and we got a 350 stop with a 400 profit. But
Gotcha.
Yeah, price seems to be reversing at the moment. We could put in some like vertical resistance here. So yeah, we could be looking at that. So yeah, we got to stop just below that level. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see how this trade plays out. Because I'm trading M15, it's not as like exciting or as fast as I normally trade. So we do have to be patient and wait for that stop or wait for that profit level. So
yeah, I'm looking at some imbalances as well. On the downside, look to the left. There's candles back. Where is that? Looks like last night, where we kind of got those nice long green candles. Looks like it pretty much popped up from the open overnight, and yeah, interesting to see how this does play out. You on the right side of the was it the VWAP? What's the
it's the blue line's the VWAP, but
right.
Yeah, we have opened above that now on this candle. So yeah, we're stuck between the 9 moving average and the VWAP. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see how this plays out. Yeah, I'd like the price to get down to this take profit 1 level here of 2584.5, so we can get to break even and hopefully get down to the profit level here. Yeah, I'm gonna stay in the trade. 350 expense. It's not massive.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm happy to take that risk at the moment, unless I get an indication to reverse the trade. But I would like to just do the one trade, lock the account, and get on my day. But yeah, we need to watch how this plays out. So yeah, it's going to be a lot slower the next couple of days while we test out this strategy and have a look at it. So most important question: what tea are you drinking this morning?
I'm having some very fresh Welsh tea, and it is delicious. I'm going to take a sip of it in a moment, but it's got this really nice sort of sweety, strong flavor, and I would highly recommend it to anybody looking for a good tea to drink.
It was a good tea. When I had a cup of tea at yours, I haven't drunk tea in about 10 years. It was quite good, actually. Yeah, I quite enjoyed it. What about the Welsh cakes? Any good?
Yes, very good. I enjoyed those. I forgot to tell you. Those are all finished now.
Right.
and yeah, they were delicious.
Yeah, we'll get some more up to you.
Yeah. And what about you? What are you drinking for this morning?
So I've had my double espresso, the strongest blend money can buy. So that's done and dusted, and I'm about 3/4 my way through my pint of Ribena this morning. So that's my routine normally.
Yeah. Yeah, keep to the routine. Nice.
Just work my way through like the vitamin supplements at the moment. I have a couple left to take, and then I'm good to go.
Ready to take on the day.
So yeah, I wish we could take on this trade. Yeah, I'd like a push in either direction. To be honest, it just seems to be stuck in a range here at the moment. Price, yes. Yeah, I'm still going with move to the downside at the moment, and yeah, I see no reasons to reverse the position at the moment.
You want to have a look at maybe have a look at one of the other charts just for a change.
For entertainment purposes, go for it, mate. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, I think we've mentioned this many times, which is sometimes once you've done the homework, you just let the trade ride, and
that's right. It's patience, right? You just have to wait, and yeah, it's nice when the trade dips into your profit rather quickly, but that's only the movies, right? Real life takes a little bit longer. So yeah. So what do you want to look at this morning?
I'm gonna have a quick look at Bitcoin first, because this one's the one that's been making a lot of the headlines. So I've just highlighted the weekend range. So on looks like Friday, right after the markets closed in New York, we hit a high up there, but we haven't gotten back to that. And then last night, we hit this low. So we're kind of just hovering in between those two levels. If we zoom out just a smidgen, let's go back in a bit. You can see we're off the all-time high, and we're above this kind of low that we saw back on Thursday. Just I think waiting for the next big move, maybe looking for some liquidity. And like we were saying before, just be careful if you are going long, if you are buying Bitcoin, to just be very cautious up here.
Yeah, for sure. And I had a great surprise on the weekend. I think it was Saturday morning. Was it Saturday? Woke up with Ripple breaking the dollar.
Oh yeah. So, yeah, we were just talking about that, weren't we? Not too long ago.
So we need to get hold of PJ. We need our XRP expert back on the show. So look at
that. Oh my dear.
Oh, that's joyous to see,
Yeah. Yeah, it was a little slow out of the blocks, but it reminds me of the tortoise and the hare, to be honest. It's just chugging along now. It's just now that it's up. Now that it's woken up, it's just you just can't stop it.
Yeah, what's the chances of talking about that story yesterday, the tortoise and the hare? So
were you really?
Yeah, I was. Yeah, I was explaining it to somebody about patience, being Mr. Patient himself. But no, that's great. We did get a rejection of $1.30. It'd be nice if we could break through that level. But yeah, that's made me happy. XRP is just nice to see us above 37 cents. So it's fantastic.
Yes, yes, I know a lot of people are very happy to see XRP up here.
How's Doge doing?
Let's have a look. I do have a position in it. I try not to look at it too much. It's off the highs, but still holding up. Still holding up here. Just just above 37 cents.
And I don't know if you can find it. My wildcard link.
Yes, we got that one on here. This one here. This one had a really nice run up. Too many zeros to count, but it did hit a peak here on Saturday. Let's call it 13. 13?
Up 3%, right?
Yeah.
Nice. What's it for the year? Do you have that performance?
Yeah, if we go here. Still down for the year, interestingly.
Okay.
So it could continue. Could continue going up.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna have to keep a look at that.
Yeah, the crazy thing about that coin, it hit $100, right? And
this is the one that hit 100.
Yeah, this is the one. So it was trading around $100 a coin. Then it got depegged from the US dollar and crashed.
Mm.
Yeah, and it depends how much patience you got, but price could have muscle memory, right? I'm not saying he'll ever get back to those levels again,
Yeah.
but it might get close to half a cent. You never know.
I mean, even that's a massive move from where it's crashed to where it is now, really.
Yeah, if you go to the 12 months, you might see it. You might see where it was at.
I don't know if that's so. The data, sometimes the data doesn't go back that. Let's see. Yeah, the data is not going to give it to me. It may have been before this.
Yeah, so it was trading around, I'm pretty sure it was around $100, maybe even $120 a coin. And then, overnight, just crashed beyond zero. So, interesting. One to watch. It's worth a punt, right? It's a bet at the end of the day. It hasn't cost much to get back in. So, I'm watching that. And I think lastly is Peppy coin. Do you have a quick look at that?
Yeah, I have that one as well. I think I put it in here. We go. That one's run up really well also.
Yeah, it's doing well, right? I know nothing about the coin. I don't know what it's offering, what's backing it. I just have zero information on it, but I just know it's doing well, right? It's just one of these old coins that people are bought into. So it's doing really well.
Yeah, I like also Cardano. This one, it's been a long-standing relationship of ups and downs, I guess you could say. And this one's also it's on the right path, in the right direction here, Andrew.
Yeah, it's doing well.
Let's see if we talk about where it's been. It's been above $3. So hopefully that muscle memory can kick in with this as well.
Yeah, that'd be great. That would be good. So
yeah, okay. Let's look at. Can we have a quick look at S&P? I haven't seen it this morning since I woke up.
All yours.
Okay. Did you ever do any S&P? Because we were talking about on Friday. I think we were around here in the Asian range, and we talked a bit about S&P could go down.
Yeah, that would have been a great trade.
I didn't take it. I didn't take it at all. I didn't take it. But yeah, I want to look back at that Friday show. But it's kind of popped back a bit overnight. So if we do, I'll just do the Asian range live. So we go from, what is it here? So the market's open at, so it's Sunday at 11 p.m. Sunday at 11 p.m. will be the low. Let's go in one more. Yeah, so Sunday at 11 p.m. London gives us the low. And then we look at the high before 7 a.m. That's the 7 a.m. is the Hong Kong Stock Exchange close. And that's how we get the high. And that's it. So this is the Asian range. And we will usually trade a breakout from here throughout the day.
Yeah, so I'd probably looking to take a long position if I was to take anything, if we break that Asian high, of course.
Yeah, no, that's a very good look. Yeah, that's more or less it there. That high is at 90.3. So let's just put that in 90.3. Okay. So that we're very close to that Asian high, Andrew, as you rightly said. So we'll see. I mean, we're still only at 6:42 this morning. So yeah, that's the same trade I would take. And if we just zoom out a bit,
yeah, we've got a lot of liquidity void there, right, to be filled up to that pre-market low. So I'd be looking to take my profits around that pre-market low, which was at 5906. Yeah.
Yes, so this would have been Friday's pre-market low. Yes, but that's the exact same one. I think I would be targeting as well. It's not that far away. Yeah, that's a nice little trade there from here to there. Nice little Nice little pop up. So that's a good one for anybody who does trade S&P. Keep that in your sights. Let's have a quick look at gold. It looks like, I'm not going to say anything, Andrew. What do you think it looks like?
Yeah. I don't want to say no. Yeah, no. For myself, I just think we got a fair value gap or liquidity void down to that fib level of, what is it?
This one here. It's the 88.6. Yeah, 88.6.
So, yeah, potentially we could see a move down to there before we get a change of direction, or we get a confirmation of a push down to the Asian range. But yeah, we got a nice liquidity void there, or fair value gap, and yeah, it could be a good opportunity to go short.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think we could push down first, but let's see how it goes. So I was going to ask you about the about Topstep. So how have you been finding Topstep just overall, generally, in terms, because you have the two, you're managing two accounts at the moment.
Yeah, no, I think they're great. So far so good. Haven't got to a payout yet. When I do, I think that's the test of Topstep, is how quick they pay out and how they pay out. But at the moment, they're quite engaging on Twitter or X. They're quite good there. Customer service is excellent. Any questions, they get back to you pretty quick. So at the moment, they seem very, very supportive. Probably my favorite prop firm. But I haven't requested a payout yet, and that's proof in the pudding, right? So once we get to a payout, let's see what happens with Topstep. But so far, so all I can see is good news. Compared to other prop firms, they seem to be the number one in the futures market. And I would say the 5%ers or FTMO would be your best bet for Forex.
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, I can attest to FTMO, and they're also great for, like you said, Forex trading, and 5% is also really good.
So with our trade at the moment, so yeah, we're back at the entry level. So I'm not going to say it, but yeah. So okay, yeah, we're back at the entry. We tested that VWAP, we tested that 9 moving average, and we could be getting that push down. I would like the price to get to this take profit one. Seems to be some support here, so I'm definitely going to get my stop into break even if we can get to this level. I've actually moved my take profit down by $50. And what I might do is just chase that price down. We can see we have got like a liquidity void. Well, I suppose that's been filled now. So we have got a liquidity void from 2584.5 down to around 2580. So we have got this area here for what I call wiggle room. But yeah, we'll see now. So we're hovering around our entry price. Yeah, the trade is taking its time, right? It's a lot slower on the M50. But yeah, we'll see. We're going to watch this one play out, see how it goes. What I will do is I've got a couple of things to do at 7 o'clock, so I'll just put myself on mute and I'll just let the screen run. What about yourself? What have we got planned for today?
So got a few things on this morning. I wanted to start doing a little bit of not back testing, but reviewing of previous trades. So I've been storing up quite a few trades that I want to go back and just make some detailed notes about them. So hopefully I can tackle that today. Got a few things around the house to do and 1 or 2 errands to run, and then at 2:30 looking to possibly trade S&P when markets open.
Yes, you're still running on. You're still on Bermuda time, right, for your trades?
Yes, so still doing. So yeah, Bermuda time. So these charts will be Bermuda time, and usually trading from the market open, and then for the first 2 hours of trading is when I seem to do best.
Yeah, so yeah, same here. For the first 2 hours from 6 to 8 a.m. seems to suit me. I struggle with the New York Open. I did try when I was in Venezuela that time. Yeah, so again up around like 9 a.m. Market open, and yeah, I just couldn't catch a win at all. So I think you definitely get used to the the chart patterns, recognitions at certain times. The issue for me then was I did want to trade at this time, but it was like 1 a.m. So
Right. Yeah, that wouldn't have been good for your daytime health.
yeah, definitely not. So yeah, I did try that as well, but yeah, it just didn't work. So yeah,
I think you should trade. You should trade what you're used to. Trade what you're comfortable with, and that's as long as it's not gonna be some crazy hour.
Yeah, agreed. So yeah, I'm just watching gold. Yeah, it just seems to be consolidating at the moment. Just seem to be going sideways. So we will get a breakout in one direction or one way or another. So
yeah, just having a look at it now. I think it's looking for some liquidity here. It's trying to decide which way to go.
yeah, so yeah, we just seem to be in a little bit of bullish momentum at the moment. Could just be a pullback, could be a retest. So I'm still in this short position. No signs for me to reverse the trade at the moment anyway. So yeah, we'll see how this plays out. So what have we got? I've got over 10 minutes till the next candle.
Are you using? So you said you were changing slightly or tweaking the strategy. I guess is one way to look at it. Was it that it's now on a 15-minute time frame, or was there any other changes?
Yeah. So first thing is we're on the M15, so we get a bit of a smoother price. That's number one. Mm-hmm. Number two as well. Just looking at strategies. So I was happy with the M5 strategy. Obviously. That's paid, it's done well, but you got to move as well because the markets do shift and strategies can become redundant, right?
Yeah.
So I'm looking at an additional strategy which I'm going to just test out for this week. So yeah, let's see how the week plays out, and I'll share some more information on it.
Okay, that sounds good. Good.
Yeah, but at the moment, there's no point saying what we're up to, what we're doing.
Yeah, that's fair.
If it doesn't work, right?
Yeah.
So, we'll see how this plays out. What I do, I think I started it last Thursday. So this Thursday, I'll actually share the weekly results of where we're at. Okay. But I'm staying away from NQ or the Nasdaq. Just wiped me out last Tuesday. Got in a real good trade, and like fool's gold, right? You just get too confident. I thought, this is so easy to trade. Mm-hmm. And yeah, just hit loss after loss then on the NQ. So yeah, that moves too quick for me. That's why I like to trade gold. I think the price is it moves quite favorable in one direction or the other. And I seem to be more in sync with gold. Might start looking at the S&P and definitely copper.
Yes.
Copper moves quite nicely as well. So I know that took a bit of a dump on Friday. So yeah, we could be seeing some opportunities to buy into copper later on. But yeah, I'm just in this trade. It's painfully slow, right?
Yeah, it's like watching a paint dry right now.
Just need a tumbleweed sticker for tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
I've got something. 1 second.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so.
That's a great one. That's good. One good thing is we can have a laugh at 6 in the morning. It's always good.
Yeah, thing is with 6 o'clock, like say getting a live viewers on, it's a massive commitment. If you're in Europe or the UK, and if you're stateside as well, it's 1 a.m., 2 a.m. in the morning, so it's a big ask of people. But hopefully, hopefully they can watch the show back, and they can see the rationale of the trades, why we've taken them, and potentially, I might start looking at the US Open, might give it another go. Just that back testing, taking some paper trades, and just see if I can get into the rhythm there. So, but hopefully we can do a pre-market show this Friday if you're available.
Yeah, that would be good. That would be good, I think, if we can aim and do a pre-market. I like doing the pre-market shows, and I feel more awake for some reason.
Yeah, you sounded
And
it.
that's
Ferris. It was, he was full of beans last week.
and it's also when it's the time I usually trade. So now, usually I'm just at this time kind of looking at the charts just to get an idea of what happened overnight, and then I really start to drill in or dial in around that US Open. So it'd be nice. Yeah, it'd be nice if we could.
Yeah, it makes sense. You can have a look what's happened in the UK or the London European session as well. You know, get some key levels from that. So yeah, this trade it's painfully slow. So yeah, I'm gonna jump off air probably for about half hour, around 7 o'clock. Some things to do, but yeah, I'll probably just leave the stream run. Or I could even end the stream and just restart if we get close to that stop loss or take profit. We'll see how the day goes now. But I've been awake. I keep waking up early hours, which is a pain.
Is it because of like trading, or is it like I don't
know. I do check the price, so I will say that. So yeah, it might be that just don't take the phone to bed. That won't be a bad idea. Might just have to leave the phone in somewhere else. But yeah.
I think all traders can relate to that a bit, where you don't want to miss it. You just don't want to miss that massive move, whatever it is.
Yeah, so first thing I check is the price. Yeah. So
have you ever tried using the alerts on TradingView?
Yes, I've got alerts set up.
Okay, good. Okay, that can help sometimes.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, I got some alerts set up. And what I've done, I've set up a demo Forex account on TradingView as well. So,
nice.
Yeah, I can quickly show you that now. So we're actually running a big loss.
I'm guessing, are you long on that?
I'm short again on gold. So here we are.
Okay.
So yeah, gold dollar, taking a short position around here, just 1-to-1 again.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I just marked in some levels, and so here's my stop, here's my entry. Take profit 1, take profit 2, and yeah, we'll watch how this plays out. So yeah, I've got the alerts active.
Very nice.
So yeah.
Yeah, very cool. Oh, talking about the demo account on TradingView, I'm glad you mentioned it. TradingView has a kind of like a bit games. So you get, I believe you get 100,000, and you basically can grow that, and then they give the winner some real money. So anybody interested, check out TradingView's. They call it the Leap. So have you heard of it, Andrew? Have you heard of it at all?
I've seen it advertised, but I've never got into it. Talking of games, did you play the Super 6?
Oh no, I haven't. Can you talk a bit about it?
Yeah, I don't know much about it, but let me pull that up. So basically, it's with Sky Sports, and I think you just got to guess the scores, guess the earliest goal, but you can win some good money on it. And like with us too, we like our football, right? And just a bit of fun, that's all. But yeah, it's on Sky. Go to skysports.com. It's called Super 6. So anyone who's into football likes to guess the price or guess the score. I mean, sorry, you can you can win some big prizes. So
that sounds good. That sounds good.
So with gold, we just consolidated around this price. We have opened below this 9 moving average here. Yeah. I'm unsure, to be honest. What I would say favorable is we have tested down here, so we have got room to move. This will act as some sort of resistance here. We got to stop above that. So yeah, we'll see how this plays out, but yeah, painfully slow at the moment. And yeah, I don't know what to say, to be honest. It's just such a slow trade. So yeah, the system could be profitable, but it is very slow. Potentially tomorrow we might just look at go back to the M5 and maybe trade both systems. We'll see what we do. But yeah, I'm just having a look at some trades. So I don't understand some of the. I don't understand. I haven't had a look at them yet. Things like RTY, which I think is the Russell 200, right?
Yeah.
NQ's been trading. YM, I think that's the US 30, and what else has been firing off? And 6N1. So I just need to get my crib sheet out and have a look at what all these symbols are. But yeah, we're trading. It's slow at the moment. So what I will do, I think I'll put myself on mute. I'll let this run for another 10 minutes and probably end the stream, and I'll just go live if we get a bit of movement either way.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. I think I'm gonna have to jump off in about a few minutes at 7. But I'm trying to find like the right time frame for gold. They all look like they're moving a bit slow in the last half an hour. But I mean, this could be just like a slow move, almost like an XRP situation, but in the inverse, where it's just like slow to move, but once it gets started, then it's explosive.
Yeah, hopefully we can get that move. I think the London Open will wake the market up a little bit as well. We are coming. Yeah. We have opened from the Asian session from a Sunday as well, so we've had the weekend. But yeah, the price is just consolidated around here. It just seems to be in this range of what is it, 40 ticks. So yeah, it's moving really slow. Yeah. So yeah, I'll stay in this trade, and if we break out either way, I'll probably jump back on. But yeah, at the moment, nothing happening. So have a great day. And
thank you, Andrew. You too.
And obviously, I'll message you later. But yeah, have a good one. And yeah, I should put myself on mute and get myself ready.
Okay, all the best with the trade, and great having you. Great to be on the show. Great to be on.
Yeah, great to have you as always. No, thanks very much, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Thanks, Mandela.
Sounds good. Thanks, Andrew.
Yeah, so just waiting for this trade. So what I'm going to do is, I just need to get ready myself. So I'm going to do that. I'll probably come back once we get a little bit of movement. So yeah, be short on gold. We traded more or less 1-to-1. We got 350 expense, 450 profit. If we get down to this take profit level 1 here, I will go break even on the trade. But we're just going to have to be patient. But for myself, I actually think we're actually going to get a move to the upside, if anything. So yeah, we just need the price to break below that entry. Okay, so I'll put myself on mute. Rambled on long enough. Let's see how this trade plays out, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so I'm probably gonna jump out of this trade at the entry and look for a better opportunity in the day. So yeah, once we get down to that entry, I'm actually going to exit the trade, and let's see what happens in the London Open. So yeah, just nothing today. So it's just been over an hour. Yeah, the price seems to be consolidating. We're not getting the move that we want. We did get a push down to that take profit 1 level, and for myself, I could see this price reversing. So once we get down to this entry price here, I'm going to close the trade and look to get back in later. So thanks for watching. Yeah, nothing to talk about today really. Just thanks to Mandela for the news and the chart updates, and I look forward to seeing you all later or tomorrow morning. Thanks very much.